A very good morning, class 2 students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today I am going to teach you chapter 11, and the chapter 11 topic is the sun and the shadow. Okay. Today I am going to teach you about the sun and the shadow, and I am going to describe you some of the points about the east, west, north and south. Okay. And I have made some drawing over here which will help you to understand in a better way. Did you get it? So let's start our chapter. Okay. Please take it out your page number 959. Please take out the page number 59. Okay, please take out the page number 59, and chapter will be 11, the sun and shadow. Okay, so let's start our class. The sun is a large ball of hot gases. Yes, did you see over here? The sun is the hot ball of gases. Okay, or you can say whenever we are asked in the smaller classes. Okay, जहिले पनि हामीले सानो क्लासमा सोध्दाखेरि के भन्छ, what is sun? भने sun is hot ball of gases भन्छ, plus हामीले sun is very hot. Yes or no? हामीले भन्छ the sun is round in shape, it is orange in shape. Yes or no? We say all this one. Okay, the sun gives us heat and light. Yes, the sun always gives us heat and light. Okay, it is very big. It looks so small because it is very far away from us. It is many times bigger than the earth. It is a star. Now what is the thing is that the sun gives us heat and light. Okay, it is big in size. Okay, it is very big in size, but हामीले यहाँबाट हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ घाम चाहिँ किन सानो देखेको? Yes, it is because it is very far away from us, million far away. हामीसँग चाहिँ यो सन चाहिँ कहाँ छ? एकदम यो घाम चाहिँ एकदम टाढो छ. त्यही कारण हामीले यहाँबाट हेर्दाखेरि पृथ्वीबाट हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सन चाहिँ घाम चाहिँ सानो देख्छ, but it is very big in size. Okay, it is much big as the earth. Okay, now it is also called as a star. Okay, now one thing I want to ask you, class 2 student, that how can you difference between the sun and between the planet and the star at night? तिमीले कसरी चाहिँ मतलब छुट्याउन सक्छौ कि यो प्लानेट यो स्टार हो भने चाहिँ राति कसरी छुट्याउन सक्छौ? आई विल से यु वान थिङ. जहिले पनि राति हुँदाखेरि तिमी राति माथि आकाशमा हेर, तारा जहिले पनि मतलब उयो गर्छ, साइन गर्छ हैन, यस्तो मतलब दिगबिग गर्दै साइन गर्छ कि गर्दैन? वेयरएज कतिवटा तिमी हेर माथि आकाशमा त्यो चाहिँ कन्टिन्युअसली साइन गर्छ, त्यो निप्दै बल्दै गर्दैन, मतलब निप्दै झ्यापै निभेको नि, तर त्यस्तै देख्छ हामीले स्टारहरू. हो कि हैन? ताराहरू चाहिँ अलिकति निप्दै गरेको गर्छ, तर कतिवटा चाहिँ हेर्दाखेरि माथि हेर्दा कोही चाहिँ कन्टिन्युअसली बलेको हुन्छ. यस न, त्यो कन्टिन्युअसली बलेको त्यो चाहिँ प्लानेट हो, अन्त जुन चाहिँ यसो ढिमिक बल्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ स्टार भन्छ. दिस हाउ वी डिफरेन्स बिट्विन द स्टार एन्ड द प्लानेट एट नाइट. ओके, द सन शाइन बाय इट्स ओन लाइट. यस, दिस सन डज नट नीड द लाइट अफ अदर्स. इट हैज गॉट इट्स ओन लाइट. Own light. Okay, another is the sun is our nearest star. That means sun मध्ये यसो घाम यस्तो चीज हो जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो सबभन्दा हाम्रो एकदम एकदम छेउमा एकदम के चाहिँ उयो मतलब एकदम छेउमा पर्ने प्लानेट हो. Did you get it? Now another is that every morning the sun rises in the east. When the sun rises, the day begins. That means when the sun rises in the east, जब घाम झुल्किनु थाल्छ इस्टमा, त्यति बेला चाहिँ हाम्रो के हुन्छ? दिन चाहिँ सुरु हुन्छ. The day starts beginning. Okay, the day try to begin. Okay, the sun makes the day bright and warm. Green plants make their food in sunlight. Yes, flower bloom and fruits ripe due to the sunlight. The sunlight and the heat help us to grow, walk and play. Yes, the sun is only the one which give us heat and light. Moreover, यो घामले चाहिँ के गर्छ? जब यो घाम लाग्न थाल्यो भने सबै प्लान्टहरु चाहिँ घामको कि मतलब यो लाइटहरु हुन्छ सबै ट्र्याप गरेर चाहिँ के प्रोसेस सुरु गर्छ? फोटोसिन्थेसिस सुरु गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ? रिप्रोडक्सन अफ द फुडहरु चाहिँ प्लान्टमा सुरु हुन्छ, पानी हावाले गर्दा. बुझ्छ नि? अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड? डिड यु गेट इट? सो द सन इज भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर अस. द सन स्टार्ट फ्रम राइजिङ फ्रम द ईस्ट एन्ड it sits in the west. Did you get it? यहाँबाट घाम झुल्किन्छ, यहाँ चाहिँ घाम हराउँछ मतलब डुब्छ. Did you get it? Now turn your page, all of you. Direction. Now we are going to talk about this direction. We are going to talk about this direction. Okay, that is east, west, north, south. Okay, east, west, north, south. There are 4 directions. There are how many directions? 4 directions are there. Did you get it? So in the east, what happens? You east ma chahi ke huncha? Now see here. East, the direction in which the sun rises is called east. The sun rises in the east. That means जुन चाहिँ दिशामा चाहिँ घाम झुल्किन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? ईस्ट भन्छ. बुझ्दै? जुन चाहिँ घाम चाहिँ झुल्किन्छ, जहाँ चाहिँ घाम चाहिँ निस्किन्छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ ईस्ट भन्छ. Did you get it? Now westलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? अब the west, the direction in which the sun set is called the west. That means घाम चाहिँ जहाँ अस्ताउँछ, मिन्स जहाँ डुब्दै जान्छ अस्ताउँछ त्यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? वेस्ट भन्छ. Did you get it? घाम यहाँ झुल्किन्छ, घाम कहाँ झुल्किन्छ? ईस्टमा झुल्किन्छ. अस्ताउनु चाहिँ कहाँ अस्ताउँछ? वेस्टमा अस्ताउँछ. Okay, now north. If you stand before the sun rises and the sun and stretch your arms, you will feel left hand will point towards the north. Yes. अब जस्तै घाम यहाँ झुल्किरहेछ. गेट एक्जाम्पल है. घाम यहाँ झुल्की हामी यस्तो उभिरहेछ हैन. यसै गरी उभिँदाखेरि चाहिँ यो राइट लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड चाहिँ कहाँ हुन्छ? नर्थमा हुन्छ. यो राइट ह्यान्ड चाहिँ कहाँ हुन्छ? साउथमा हुन्छ. यो नर्थ साइडमा हुने चाहिँ के चाहिँ जग्गाको नाम चाहिँ जम्मू एन्ड काश्मीर हुन्छ. यहाँतिर चाहिँ पर्ने साउथमा पर्ने चाहिँ के हो? जस्तै चेन्नई साउथ चेन्नईहरू यस्तोहरू पर्छ. Did you get it? Now in the south, when your left hand points towards the north and your right hand will point towards the south. Yes, same कुरा. Now thus there are 4 directions. There are 4 directions, that is east, west, north, south. फेरि भन्न east, west, north, south. यो चाहिँ 4 direction. This is the 4 direction. Okay. Now another is after the morning, the sun goes up in the sky. When the sun is right over our head, it is noon. That means घाम झुल्किँदै माथि जान्छ. माथि गयो एकदम टपमा गयो भने त्यति बेला चाहिँ के हो? 12 बजी हो. बुझ्दैन? उहिलेको टाइममा चाहिँ मान्छेले घडी नहुँदै चाहिँ भालेको हिसाबमा हुन्थ्यो. भाले कुकुरी कहाँ गरेर चाहिँ बिहान भयो भन्थे. बुझ्दैन? फेरि कुकुरी कहाँ भने चाहिँ 12 बज्यो भने कुकुरी कहाँ बेलुका भयो भने चाहिँ भालेले चाहिँ टाइमहरू त्यसरी बताउँथे अरे. बुझ्यो? कुखुरा भालेहरूले. बुझ्यो? Did you get it? So another thing is that when the sun goes top at the sky, that time we will have noon. That means we have lunch time. Okay, we will have lunch. Okay, at that time means it is a lunch time. At the time the sun is very bright and hot. That means जब घाम एकदम माथि हुन्छ नि, मतलब स्काईमा एकदम माथि आकाशमा सिद्धा हुन्छ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ के हुन्छ? घाम एकदम ब्राइट हुन्छ, एकदम हट पनि हुन्छ, पुरा गरम पनि लाग्छ. यो चाहिँ तिमीले गरम महिनामा गर्नु सक्छौ. After the noon it goes down and down. The light of the sun begins to fade. Now the sunset in the evening. The sunset in the evening. Now हेर यसरी हो. यो सनसेट चाहिँ यसरी हुन्छ. बिस्तारी बिस्तारी चाहिँ तल जान्छ. बुझ्दैन? मिन्स अब यहाँबाट चाहिँ घाम झुल्किँदै यस्तो गर्दै चाहिँ कहाँ जान्छ? वेस्टमा जान्छ. त्यति बेला चाहिँ इट इज द इभिनिङ टाइम when the sun set. Okay. Now next one is that after the evening the night comes. It is dark at night. Days are bright and warm, but the nights are dark and cold. Yes. जब राति हुन्छ, जब घाम अस्ताइसक्छ त्यति बेला के हुन्छ? During the daytime the days are very bright and warm. Compared to the night it is very cold and dark. Means दिउँसो चाहिँ पुरा गरम हुन्छ, पुरा धुपहरू हुन्छ. बुझ्यो नि? तर रातिको चाहिँ एकदम अलिकति शीतल अन्त एकदम अँधेरो हुन्छ. Did you get it? So let's go to the next time. Now shadow. Did you see over here? Student, look here. See this one. Look here. This one. The tree is there, shadow is there. Yes or no? That means over here, look at the picture. The sun is shining. A boy is in the sunlight. The light cannot pass through the body of the boy. So the shadow of the boy can be seen on the ground. We sometimes which light cannot pass comes in the way of light. A shadow is formed. Light travel in the straight line. Shadows are found when something comes in the way of the light. That means when the That means shadow कसरी फर्म हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ जब नि एउटा के भन्छ you know that the light travels in the straight line, the light travels in the straight line. अब जस्तै तिमीले टर्च बालिरहेछ, त्यो टर्चको बीचमा तिमीले के राख्यो भने त्यसको त्यो अब्जेक्टको नि त्यो छाया चाहिँ उता जान्छ नि. Yes, that is how the shadow is being formed. अब जस्तो लुक हियर, यहाँ घामले यहाँ पुरा दिइरहेछ. ओके, the rays of the sun comes over here. It will not pass through the tree, so there is the shadow formed over here. This is how the shadow is formed when an object when the object comes in the between the straight line, that time the shadow is being formed. Okay, this is how the shadow is being formed. Okay, at the night the shadow is formed when someone comes on the way of the other light like moonlight or electric light. Shadows are not formed when there is no light. Now shadow चाहिँ कहिले form हुँदैन जहाँ चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ light हुँदैन. Where there is no light, the shadow cannot be formed. Okay, so a shadow always fall in the direction opposite of the source. That means अपोजिट सोर्समा हुन्छ. यस्तै अपोजिट सोर्स. यहाँबाट घाम झुल्केको छ भने स्याडो यहाँ हुन्छ, सिधा छ भने यस्तो हुन्छ, यहाँ छ भने चाहिँ यतापट्टि हुन्छ. दिस इज हाउ द स्याडो इज फर्म इन द अपोजिट, मिन्स उल्टामा फाउन्ड हुन्छ स्याडो. ओके, नाउ अनदर वान इज दैट shadow can change its length and direction, means shadow को length र direction जहिले पनि change हुइबस्छ. ठिकै, they does not have the fixed length and fixed direction. Okay, in the morning the sun is low in the sky, that is just the shadow is long. At the noon the sun is at the highest point, the shadow is very short. Okay, in the evening the shadow is low, again the shadow gets longer. Length of the shadow in the morning and the evening are almost equal. That means स्याडो जुन चाहिँ स्याडो छ नि त्यो स्याडो चाहिँ मर्निङ र इभिनिङमा चाहिँ त्यो स्याडोको लेन्थ चाहिँ इक्वल हुन्छ, बराबर हुन्छ स्याडोको स्याडो चाहिँ. बुझ्छ नि? दिस इज हाउ द स्याडो इज बिन फाउन्ड. याद गर्नु कि मर्निङ र इभिनिङमा चाहिँ स्याडो चाहिँ के हुन्छ अरे बराबर फाउन्ड, इक्वली फाउन्ड हुन्छ. दिस इज हाउ द स्याडो इज फाउन्ड. आई थिङ्क सो यु होप यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड दिस च्याप्टर. दिस च्याप्टर इज अबाउट दिस वान. ओके, सो स्टुडेन्ट, इफ यु डोन्ट अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड यु क्यान लिभ यर मेसेज इन क्लास 2 ग्रुप. ओके, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच.